To buy Destra Network on Coinbase Wallet, you will need to have a Coinbase account and the Coinbase Wallet app. First, download and install the Coinbase Wallet app on your mobile device. Open the app and log in to your Coinbase account. If you do not have a Coinbase account, create one and verify your email address and phone number. Next, tap on the Browse tab and search for Destra Network. If Destra Network is not available on the Coinbase Wallet app, you may need to use the Coinbase Pro platform. Tap on the Buy button and enter the amount of Destra Network you want to purchase. You can also tap on the Market tab to view the current market price of Destra Network. Before you make a purchase, make sure you have sufficient funds in your Coinbase wallet. You can add funds to your wallet using a bank transfer, debit card, or other payment methods. Once you have sufficient funds, tap on the Buy button to complete the purchase. After the purchase is complete, your Destra Network will be stored in your Coinbase wallet. You can view your balance and transaction history by tapping on the Destra Network tab. It is essential to keep your Coinbase wallet and account secure by enabling two-factor authentication and using a strong password. In addition to buying Destra Network, you can also send and receive Destra Network using your Coinbase wallet. To send Destra Network, tap on the Send tab and enter the recipient's wallet address. To receive Destra Network, tap on the Receive tab and share your wallet address with the sender. It is crucial to note that buying and selling cryptocurrency is subject to market risks. The value of Destra Network can fluctuate rapidly, and you may lose some or all of your investment. Always do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing in cryptocurrency. By following these steps and best practices, you can securely buy Destra Network on Coinbase Wallet and start exploring the world of cryptocurrency. Remember to stay informed and up to date with market trends and news to make informed investment decisions.